How to remove from power button update and shutdown and update and restart display on your Windows 11 and 10 system. Sometimes you try to shut down your Windows system and it will show update and shutdown and update and restart. We will remove this feature. Go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type gpedit.msc to open local group policy editor in your Windows Home Edition. Here from the left side under computer configuration, expand administrative templates, thereafter expand Windows components. Here scroll down and you will find the option Windows Update, and here select policies, select it, thereafter go to right side and here you will find the first option, don't display install updates and shutdown. Do not display install updates and shutdown option in shutdown Windows dialog box. Simply apply a double click on it to open its properties and make the check against enabled button. And finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. After this, apply updates and shutdown option will not visible even after update available on your system. That's all.